Well, hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we'll be making fried rice. I hope you find this a little bit easy. It's gonna be quick. Anyway, I've taken the time to prepare most of what we would use for this meal, and let's jump right in it. I boiled some chicken before I started recording, so I'm just going to get the stock. I'm going to get the stock into the pot right now, and that's the first thing, or rather that's where we're going to start from. So let's get right in it. So I'm going to put this in a sieve and trying to get all that thickness and extra stockish thing in there separated. I'm going to add it much later. I'm just going to allow the stock, the liquid, get through, and I'm going to put my white rice, which I have also boiled already. Get all the white rice in, just so that it cooks right into the rice, and the rice sort of like retains that sweet taste. I'm going to boil, or rather put down on low heat for a little while and stir it around a little bit. Make sure it doesn't get burnt. Make sure it's on low heat. You may decide to add some salt to taste, and all-purpose seasoning, perhaps a little bit of curry, and yeah, make sure you stir it around and let the stock go all round. Now, while this is going on one burner, I'm going to cook the vegetables, or fry the vegetables, on the second. So I'm going to get my pan on and put in some cooking oil. I'm going to get my onion in first. This got my sausage. This is both chicken and beef, so I'm gonna toss all that in. So if this is your first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, just so that you know when a new video hits. As I always say on my channel, I'm not a professional chef. I do this for fun. So if you have any ideas to make my videos better, do drop it in the comment section. Thank you. Alright, so going forward, I'm going to add some green beans and some bell pepper that I have chopped earlier, green bell pepper. I'm also going to add in my carrot. In as much as there's a regular way of cooking fried rice, I think also you can be as experimental as you want. I'm going to stir everything and allow this enjoy the heat for a little bit. I also added in some green peas. Now make sure you do not forget to add some salt to taste, and all-purpose seasoning. Once you add that in, just stir it to make sure it goes around. Now once this looks good, I'm going to dump all this into my rice on the other burner. This is looking colorful. Alright, so once that's in, I'm going to stir it all in. Now the thing is, there are different, I've seen several videos online on different ways of cooking fried rice. So this is just one way, and I find this very easy, quick and straightforward. So I'm really going to leave this on low heat. I'm going to add in some corn I got from the store. So I'm going to stir that into. Right now is just for my rice to really cook basically together, let everything kind of like simmer together, and you know, once it's done you would know. And I mean, mine is done right now, so I'm gonna serve it and ready to eat. So once more, if this is your first time on my channel, encourage me by liking, subscribe, drop your comments if you may, and yeah, I hope you get to try this at home, and if you do, let's see, or let's hear about your results. And thank you very much for joining me on this one, and until next time, that'll be, see you later.